here, the Holystone HS210F. So this little drone has two modes. It has a land and sky mode, which you can drift it around on like a smooth floor, or you can fly it around like a drone. But let's take a quick look at it and then we'll test it out. So with everything out of the box, you can see we got a user manual. In this pack here, we get a USB charger, proper mover tool, screwdriver, spare props, and then this one only comes with one 3.7 volt, 300 milliamp hour lithium ion battery. There isn't too many things labeled on the controller. That's why they put that there, so you can kind of get an idea of what does what. So as you can see, this does not look like your typical drone. All the propellers are pitched front a little bit when it's sitting flat on the ground, and that is so you can drift it around on the floor. And then when it's flying, it flies like this then. So I can't wait to check this out, see how good it does. First, we have to charge this battery up, and we have to put 3 AAAs in the controller, and then we can test this out.
All right, we are gonna test out the Holystone HS210F. So I get one battery, so hopefully I can get all this in on one battery. It's a proprietary battery, which is nice, but you just slide it in there and then you have to push it till it locks in. So let's turn the controller on. There's the on and off switch. Now you want the on and off switch facing you. You want the head facing that way when you start up. You do a up, down to bind. That'll help us out when we're in headless mode. So first thing we want to do is calibrate the gyro. And the gyro is a long press on the speed switch. You see it flashing like that. And there we go, we're calibrated. So you can take off with auto takeoff. And then auto land. So another way we can take off is we can throw it. There we go. And if you need to do an emergency stop, all you do is long press the auto takeoff, auto land button. So let's get this in the, oh no, I forgot to reset it. Oops, no wonder it didn't work. Okay, now we can take off this way. There we go. So let's check out the speeds, which is this button here. That's 2 beeps, second rate. 3 beeps. Ooh, that goes pretty good in the third rate. A lot faster yaw. It looks pretty cool how it, like, the front is higher than the back like that. Yeah, nice, it flies good. Now let's do some flips. We'll hit this once, do a front flip there. Let's do a back flip. Whoa, there we go. And let's do some rolls. There was a left roll and a right roll. All right, now if we do a long press here, that puts us in headless mode. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, see, I'm going, doesn't matter which way the head's facing. If I go right, it goes right. If I go left, it goes left. Let's get out of that, and we'll long press to get out of that. All right, let's land this, because this is what I really want to check out. I want to check out land mode. So for land mode, apparently all you do is you can hit like, oh, okay, so it slides like that, and then this turns. Oh, so it's like a little drifter. That's cool. So this will only work on smooth floors. So like this concrete floor has like a finish on it, so it'll work on this. So with this, you can set it to do like a cruise control. It'll go by itself. You don't have to control the throttle, and then you just steer it. So there it goes by itself. Let's see if I hit the rates. 2, there's 3. Doesn't seem that much faster. So they say you can do like 360s if you go backwards. Oh, I think I need a bigger area here, but it seemed like it wanted to work. Let's try this again here. Let's see if we can do 360s. Okay, let's try it again. So it's a little uncontrollable when you do that. I like just doing the manual controlling. It's pretty neat with it drifting around like this. Okay, so land mode is pretty cool, but let's take off and finish this battery up using it as a drone. There we go, back up in the air. Let's do a flip. Oh, nice. This is altitude hold. I did forget to say that earlier. This is the light button. If you long press it, it looks like it's flashing. There we go. Now it turns the LEDs off, which will help with battery life. So this drone is awesome. It flies so good. Highly recommend. Whoa, oh, saved it. I couldn't believe when I saw this on Amazon, they were doing like a 50% off deal. I got this for like 15 bucks, which is, even at the full price of $30 or $29.90, whatever it is, the full price, I still say it's worth it. I'm getting a good run time. This is all done on one battery. This video is done on one battery so far. And wow, this flies so good. I am impressed with it. I'm not disappointed at all. Let's see, what else is there? I think I covered. Yeah, you press down on the left, watch. And then that's your trim, see? And then you short press then again. So that's the trim. I think that was the only thing I missed. Other than that, I covered everything on the controller and everything that this drone can do. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh. Good thing for prop guards. Oh, we're flashing here. We're flashing. That is low voltage. So that is the full battery life. And as soon as this comes down and touches down, I'll put a run time right there on the screen for you, so you can see how long you get out of this 300 milliamp hour lithium battery. Oh, it's losing strength, it's coming down, and that is it. So runtime is right there. I'm happy with this. This turned out to be a lot better than I was expecting. But I must say, I am very happy with how this drone performed. Not a bad runtime. I did go through things pretty quick with it, and I was running this full throttle nearly the entire time. So that runtime is not bad at all. If you'd like to know where you can pick one of these up, I have an affiliate link down below where you can just click on that and it'll take you right to where you need to go. So that'll do it for this video. Thanks for checking it out. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so you can join me when I check out the next Ready to Run RC.